This was the day I almost drowned, and it was not my fault.
Guys, today, are you ready for free Seedance 2.0 video generator and also Seedance 1.0 free video generator? You've already seen how powerful these videos are, created using Seedance 2.0, and today, in this video, I'm going to show you a brand new niche that can help you grow very fast. And it's a high RPM niche right now. So don't skip this video. Take a look at this Bugs animation channel. This channel has 89 videos uploaded and around 766K subscribers. If you look closely at their videos, they are extremely engaging, powerful, and visually appealing. This channel's making around $7,000 per month, which is honestly huge. And yes, this channel is 100% monetized. Some videos are at 37 million views, some at 20 million, some at 15 million, and many more in the millions. And today's video is going to be very valuable, so don't skip it. Now guys, first of all, I've prepared an all-in-one master prompt for bug-style animations. It includes everything: 2D animation style, story title, 10 scenes, image prompts, video prompts, and voiceovers, all in one place. You'll find the link in the description. Just like always, all you have to do is copy the master prompt, go to ChatGPT and paste it. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will generate everything for you, including scenes, image prompts, video prompts, and voiceovers. But there's one small issue. You'll notice that the consistent character is not included inside every image prompt. So what you need to do is simply tell ChatGPT, please also add a consistent character in all image prompts. And instantly, ChatGPT will regenerate everything with a fully consistent character style across all scenes. Everything is perfectly ready. So now, the next step is to generate images. The tool we're going to use is Wisk AI. I'll provide the link in the description. As you already know, this is a very powerful AI tool. So first of all, open the tool and make sure you log in. Logging in is important. After logging in, enter the tool dashboard. On the left side, you'll see options like subject, scene, and style. In the subject section, upload your character reference image. You can take this reference image from any channel you like. Then, go to the style section and upload the same character image again. Now, what this will do is, no matter what prompt you give, it will generate a consistent character style every time. Next, go to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt, and paste it into the prompt box here. Now, one very important step, you need to lock the seed. This is extremely important for maintaining consistency. After that, select the aspect ratio. For shorts, use 9:16. For long videos, use 16.9. Now simply click on Generate. As you can see, the first image generation has started. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. And now, you can see the result. The image looks amazing, with a fully consistent character style. You can choose any version you like. For example, I think the second image looks the best, based on the reference I provided, so I'll simply download this one. Now, moving to Scene 2. Copy the second image prompt, go back to Wisk AI, paste it into the prompt box, and again, click on Generate. Now the second image is also being generated. In just a few moments, it will be ready. And wow, the result looks super clean and powerful. This tool is honestly amazing and completely free. It can generate both images and videos. I've already shown this in my previous videos as well. Now again, for Scene 3, follow the exact same process. Copy the image prompt, paste it, click Generate, and your image will be ready. If you don't like the result, you can simply click on Regenerate, just like this, and a new version will be created instantly. Now, for all remaining scenes, you have to repeat the exact same process. No changes at all, just keep pasting the prompts and clicking Generate, and your images will be ready one by one. As you can see, all images are now ready. Simply download all of them. Now, the next step is video generation. So let's move to that, and don't skip the video. So I will provide the link in the description to Dreamina AI. Dreamina AI is one of the best AI tools, and it's actually a CapCut-based tool. Inside this, you'll get access to the Seedance 2.0 model. Now, you might be wondering how to log in and how to use it properly. So, let me show you the best method. When you open the tool and go to the AIvideo section, sometimes you won't see the AIvideo option, so here's a simple trick. Go to your browser extensions and install Urban VPN. After installing it, just turn it on. As you can see, I've already enabled it. Now, simply reload the page, and after reloading, you'll see that Seedance 2.0 is now available. Now, the AIvideo section will also appear. And guys, this tool also has AI image generation. I'll explain that part later as well. Now here, you'll see different models like Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.0. Fast, you can select any of them, for example. I'll select Seedance 2.0. Now here you'll see options like omni-reference, first frame, last frame. You can adjust these depending on your needs. Also, you can see that it's currently using 0 credits, which is great. Now, what I'll do is click on Upload and add my first image. Then go to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt and voiceover. Come back here and paste it into the prompt box. Now, before generating, one important step. Make sure you select the aspect ratio 9:16. You can also generate videos up to 15 seconds long. Now, simply click on Generate and confirm. As you can see, the first video generation has started. Within about 1 to 2 minutes, your video will be ready. This is a very powerful and amazing tool for video generation. Now, let's preview the result. And wow, the video looks beautiful. The zoom-in effect, the character animation, and even the voiceover. Everything looks very professional. I generated a 5-second video, and the quality is excellent. Now, I'll simply download this video. Done. Now, moving to the second scene. Upload the second image. Go to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt and voiceover. Paste it here, and click on Generate. But sometimes, you might see an error asking you to purchase credits. So here's the solution. Go back to the Home section. Close this panel, then go to the Model settings. Select Omni-Reference Image, and choose the first frame, last frame option. Now upload your next image again. This time, select Seedance 1.0 Fast, or any model you prefer. Then go to ChatGPT. Copy the prompt, paste it, and click Generate. Now your next video will start generating. In a few moments, it will be ready. Let's preview it. And honestly, wow! This one looks even better than Seedance 2.0. The zoom-in effect is sharp, and the character movement looks very smooth. But there's one issue. Seedance 1.0 does not generate voiceover. Don't worry. I'll show you how to fix that in the next step. Now, this tool uses around 25 credits per video, and we have around 120 plus credits, so we can easily generate multiple videos. Now, again, upload the next image. Go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it, click Generate, and your next video will be ready. Repeat the same process for all scenes, and your videos will be generated one by one. As you can see, all videos are now ready. Now, let's generate the final scene. Upload image, copy prompt, paste, generate. And now the last video is also ready. And wow, it looks amazing. Way the character falls into the water, the animation, everything looks super clean and engaging. Now guys, the next step. If your video does not have voiceover, don't worry. It's very easy to fix. Simply go to ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, just type, "Please give me a voiceover," and it will instantly generate a complete voiceover script for your prompts. Now, once the voiceover is generated, simply copy it. After copying, go to 11 Labs. Open the 11 Labs website and sign in. You'll get around 10,000 free credits, which means you can generate free voiceovers easily. That's roughly 10 to 11 minutes of text-to-speech audio. Now, click on Text-to-Speech. Select any voice model you like. Paste your voiceover script. Adjust the settings according to your preference, and then click on Generate. Now, your voiceover will be ready. Download it. After that, open CapCut. Import your video clips, and then add your voiceover. Now, adjust everything properly. Sync the voice with the video, do basic editing, and finalize your project. Once your editing is complete, simply export the video and upload it to YouTube. Then check your results. I hope you really liked today's tools. If you want more viral niches, AI tools, and powerful strategies, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.